Hi, I'm Nick Williams.
And I'm Delaney George.
Welcome to 4 Minute Friday Fun. What are we learning about today?
We are learning about how to do an online breakout EDU.
Breakout EDU, what's that?
It is, those like escape rooms that you can go
Yes.
to?
Yeah.
It's kind of like that, but they have boxes that you can do.
Oh, I've seen the
And yeah,
boxes. I've heard the locks are kind of a pain to deal
they're a
with.
pain to deal with and they're expensive. So there is an online way that you can do it and it's for free.
All right. So if you're thinking about UDL, this is a very engaging way
Super
to
engaging.
include all students if it's set up correctly. And hopefully they can show you what they know and then also work on teamwork and collaboration.
Yeah. So let's get started.
All right. So how you do it online is, and this is one that Delaney put together, is through a Google form. So this is a Google form, and if I'd hit the preview, it'd get you out of this teacher edition or the editor. So she has this set up for a faculty meeting and images of locks in there. All of the answers have to be short answer text, correct? Then how do we get them to unlock it?
So to get them to unlock it, they have to put the correct amount of numbers in, and to make it so that they have to put the correct numbers in, you have to choose response validation in settings over here. And once you choose that, whatever they put into this short answer, I think I just unchecked it. Response validation. And then you can choose number or text, depending on what kind of lock you have.
Yep.
So we're going to do a number. And then you want to choose equal to so that they only can choose, they can only put in that number.
Yep.
And then our number is 369, right?
Yep.
And then
you can put an error text if they put in the right.
Try again. So like try again.
Okay.
And then if they don't put the correct number in, it'll pop up try again and it'll be a red line underneath it. If they put the correct one in, it'll be fine.
And then you have to make them required so that they at least go through them all and don't hit submit without it. So you do have some word ones. You can do the directional lock with U, D, R, and L. And again, it has to all be short answer. And this one is text and it must contain these letters. Does it have to be capital?
Yeah, yes.
So
whatever you put in there is exactly how it has to be.
So it has to be case sensitive. And then the one on the bottom as well.
We encourage putting the, like in parentheses, we have all caps or L means left, just so your students know exactly what they need to put in.
So after, when they see this and they can get through all of the answers correctly, so here it is. And again, they'll be required here. So once they get through, if I hit next, it's not going to let me because I didn't get them right. So if I do get them all correct, then Delaney has this one set up that it'll go to the next section and it says meeting adjourned. Congrats. That's awesome. So the clues, how'd you do the clues on this one?
So there are a couple different ways. On this one, I printed out the clues from online. So we set it up like a normal breakout box using the paper and clues and things that I gave them from online. But instead of unlocking an actual box, they just put their numbers in online.
Excellent. So you could do physical clues or set up a room. The other way that we've done it is through Google Sites. So this one would have all of the clues within each page. So they'd have an article that they'd have to look through, and then there'd be clues on what those combinations would be. There's some videos that are embedded with clues on what you need to put in. Here's another Google site that we've used that actually links out to this Jigsaw Planet puzzle. So there's different pieces of online software that will allow you to make some clues and make it engaging as well. So we recommend if you're using a box or at least some of those materials to use a Google form. And if it's if you have all of them that you can embed to Google Sites. All right, that's Breakout EDU online. No more worrying about going to Lowe's and getting some locks.
Happy Friday and have a great Thanksgiving.